Hi guys, today's gonna be a crazy one. We're gonna have a bunch of really good sounds that you guys love. Let's get started straight off with the tree, fidget tree. And I'm just gonna get this started. Okay, that's it for the fidget tree. Let's go stamp. Some relaxing storytelling. You're walking through a baseball field. You make it to home, the end. These are going to be very quick. Now, we're going to go for one that doesn't come up often. I don't think I've used these in any of my long form videos. Next up. Okay, then, yeah. Put it in a amazing, splendid. And we got, one and only. Awesome, splendid. Now we got book. We got book. Amazing. This is one of the best ones. And we got mist. It's crazy. We're going through a bunch of good sounds in less than 2 minutes. Maybe 2:30. Yep, 2:30. Then scanning. We got scanning. Splendid, awesome, just amazing, Then we got Fred the dinosaur. We're gonna amazing, just splendid. You did a great job. See you in the next video. Goodbye.